drown.
Hello people, if you're watching, this is the Annoyinators, aka, yeah, YouTube. Yeah. We made the really cool Indian scenery thing, so just gonna show you. It's being powered by this faucet. Then it's like a huge river.
Why is the river all dried up?
See?
Something's blocking that traveling.
Ooh.
Oh.
Right here. It's really cool. See? Oh. So yeah, it's Indian's tree. Doesn't that look awesome?
There we go.
My sister wanted me to film this, so it's pretty nice. Here, I'm just gonna take you along the river. Dun, 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 dun. Sorry. Two things. Flower. Yeah, that's it. Just wanted to show you. So, bye.